Guys, I'm in the middle of nowhere just for content. Anyway, we move. Do you hear that sound? It seems to be scary, but it's not. I don't know much about windmills, but I know that they are power generating vessels. It's long since I studied social studies. It's been 2 decades. So you'll Google more about it. These are the videos. It looks awesome. Look at the surrounding. Don't mind, and I'm an anonymous person. In future, I'll be showing you my face, but I'm not that pretty. But I'm a girl. Okay? This is about nature, not me. So I'll be showing you the road that we use. This is the road that I'm using. Sometimes I run because when you walk and walk too slow, that's Nairobi. Oh no, I don't know which town is it, but it's a town. You see, this is the road that I'm using. This is what content creators go through to make their videos look awesome. Alafu mnatunyima subscribers, surely.